Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Litematica for Minecraft. Alright, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to an official mod website, such as CurseForge or Modrinth. These are trusted sources for Minecraft mods. In the search bar, type Litematica and open the mod page. Make sure the game version is set to Minecraft 1.2, 1.11, then download the latest version. Once the download finishes, place the file on your desktop so it is easy to access later. Next, Litematica requires another mod called molilib. On the same website, search for molilib, select the same Minecraft version, download it, and place that file on your desktop as well. Now you need Fabric Loader to run these mods. If Fabric is not already installed, download it from the official Fabric website and install it for Minecraft 1.2, 1.11. You will also need Fabric API, which you can download from CurseForge or Modrinth for the same version. After that, open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installations, and open the game folder. Inside, create a folder named Mods if it does not exist. Drag Litematica, molilib, and Fabric API into the Mods folder. Launch Minecraft using Fabric, load a world, and press M to confirm Litematica is working. So that's basically how you can download and install Litematica for Minecraft. That's it for this video. Thanks.